Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I do my at-home gel manicure. I started doing this after I binge watched basically all of In My Scenes here on YouTube and Instagram, her nail videos, and I was like, I'm going to do that because I realized how much money I was spending on going to the nail salon, and then I'm a really bad nail picker, so every time like my nails are chipped I would just pick them all off and then I'd start picking my nails and it would be a disaster. So I'm trying to really grow out my nails now that they all broke, so we're slowly getting some growth happening. So I'm going to be showing you how I do my at-home gel manicure today. I bought this is the LED light that I use. I got this off Amazon. I'll have everything that I use linked down below. So I got this off Amazon, which is so good. It was maybe 30 bucks. And then I got this like little manicure set on Amazon also, which is so cute with it like all rose gold. And then I got my nail polishes, which is all OPI, from nailpolishcanada.com. Yeah, it's just gel nail polish that you get at the nail salon. So you're gonna be needing those. And I also got 100% acetone right here. And a nail file, cuticle oil, and a nail buffer. That is what you're gonna need. So let's get going. Okay, so first things first, I don't have any gel on my nails right now, but if you did, you would want to use this time to file the gel polish and then soak it on soak a cotton pad and put it on your finger and wrap it up in aluminum foil and leave it for like maybe 10 minutes. And then you just like lightly scrape it all off and then you'll get it off. But I already went ahead and shaped my nails to the desired shape that I want, which I normally go with like square, but right now they're really little, so I'm trying to grow them out so they can't get that square. And then you want to take your nail file and then start filing just a layer of your nail down. Next, you're going to take a nail buffer and just buff down the nail bed. You just want to do this part to make sure it's nice and smooth after we file down the nails, just to get it a little bit rough before we go in with the nail polish. And then after this, we're going to take 100% acetone and just wipe our nail. At this point, you're just going to push down on your cuticles, make your nail bed a little bit bigger, and if you have any like excess cuticles that need to be cut off, now would be the time to do that. Okay, so now we're going to start on the polish. First we do a base coat, just one thin layer of the base coat, and then I'm going to put it in the light for 60 seconds. So next I'm going to go in with OPI Gel Color in Alpine Snow, one of my favorite nail colors. And I'm going to paint my nails 3 times. So I'm going to do 3 coats, and in between each coat, I'm going to put them under the light for 60 seconds each. Alright, now we're on to top coat. We're just going to do another thin layer and then put it under the light for 60 seconds. And then once the nails are done, you want to rub them with 100% acetone just to get off any of the stickiness, and then your nails are complete. And then you're going to go ahead and do that on the other hand. Alright, so last but not least, we're going in with this cuticle oil and just rub it all around your nails, the top and all around the sides. Rub it in nice and good and you are done. You have your fresh gel manicure right in the comfort of your own home. And this has honestly saved me so much money and time, and I can change my nail color whenever the heck I want. So I love this. I hope you guys try it and like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.